At first glance, it looks like just another old ship tied up and forgotten. But this vessel holds a unique place in history. This is the Galeb, once the pride of Yugoslavia, and today a rusting giant at the port of Rijeka. Built in Italy in 1938, Galeb, which means seagull, started her life as a cargo ship. But after World War II, she was transformed into a floating palace for Yugoslav President Josip Broz Tito. For decades, she served as a diplomatic weapon, carrying Tito to more than 18 countries, including India, Egypt, and the UK. World leaders like Winston Churchill, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Gamal Abdel Nasser were welcomed aboard. Lavish dinners, Cold War discussions, and state receptions all took place within these steel walls. But today, that golden age feels like a distant memory. Now the Galeb sits in silence. Her hull is corroded, her windows shattered. The elegant interiors have collapsed into decay. Paint peels from every surface. The once luxurious salons are stripped bare. Rust coats the stairwells. Pipes and wires hang loose where fixtures once gleamed. Inside, it's quiet. Not the peaceful kind, but the kind that carries the weight of abandonment. Each creak of the metal reminds you that this ship has seen better days. For years, she was nearly scrapped. But in 2009, the city of Rijeka stepped in and bought her for a symbolic price. Just €1. Since then, a slow restoration process has been underway. The goal is to turn the Galeb into a floating museum, dedicated not just to Tito, but to the broader history of the region. She may never sail again, but her story is far from over. The Galeb is still here, weathered, wounded, but not forgotten. And soon she may rise again, not as a ship of state, but as a monument to a complex and fascinating chapter in Balkan history.